Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unfortunately has been stopped on the application of DuckDuckGo. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about DuckDuckGo and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about the application of DuckDuckGo here, and then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us.